Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan and today I'm going to be showing you how to pack and send a care package to someone in the military, someone at school, or just a family member that lives far away. I am a lot of things. My favorite title is probably dog mom, but I'm also a nanny of an awesome little 3-year-old girl. I am a daughter, I am a sister, but most importantly, I'm an Army wife, and I am getting ready to send a care package out, and I wanted to show you guys the easiest way to do this. So here we go. Okay, so your first step is going to be gathering some boxes and some other equipment to help you out during this process. You're going to go on to USPS.com and order yourself a military care package kit, I think is what it's called, and you will get some free boxes, some tape, and some labels. You're also supposed to get some customs forms, but I didn't get those in my package, so I'm not sure if maybe they were just short or what happened with that, but I didn't get mine. But that's okay, because you can also just go to USPS, any postal office, and you can grab these boxes. They are free. You get the boxes for free, and then you pay the shipping cost when you go out, and they are flat rates. So I think I don't know if it's all the same price all over the country, but for the large box for me, it was $20 the other day. I think the medium boxes are closer to $15, and then I think the small boxes are closer to $8. So you want to grab your boxes. You want to grab your customs forms if it's going overseas, or you want to grab any addresses, any information that you might need from either a soldier or college student or a family member. You want to grab some tape. So here we go. I'm going to show you guys what's in this box and give you some good ideas to put in the box to your loved one. And yeah, I'll show you everything throughout the way, including how to fill out the customs forms, what you'll do when you actually get to the post office, and all of the rules kind of for if you're sending to certain countries. You can't put things in like pork, you can't put things in like alcohol, definitely no alcohol, including but not limited to mouthwash. Okay, so first things first, I put all of the things that could melt in a bag, a sealed bag, because if something melts, it's going to get all over everything, and I don't want it to get on some of the other stuff that I put in this box. So make sure you put anything that is possible to be melted. He loves Reese's cups, so he has some Reese's cups in there. So I didn't want them to get melted, so I put them in a bag. They can still get melted, obviously, but that way they won't go everywhere. I grabbed his favorite Nature Valley Crunch bars. I grabbed him some Nutri-Grain bars. Those are also his favorite. These are a huge hit. These Met RX bars. He is weirdly obsessed with these. Shout out to you, babe. I was at Walmart the other day, and I was walking down the aisle with my friend, and I just saw this little tiny frame. It's 97 cents at Walmart, and I'm sending him a bunch of pictures, so I figured if he wanted to, he could just put a picture in here and put it on his desk at work. I know that he likes his pictures, so I wanted to grab that for him. I grabbed him some deodorant. I grabbed him some face wash, because we're always joking about how men don't know that they cannot wash their face with their body soap. Comment down below if your husband washes his face with the same soap that he washes his butt with, because I just don't understand. Wash your face with some face wash, right? Next, I got his favorite cookies. He's trying to eat healthy, and I'm really not helping with this care package, am I? And then here's some photos. This photo on top was actually the day that he left, and I think that he'll really enjoy these. I also am sending some magnets, some little tiny magnets. I wanted to send him something that he could stick to his locker. In the barracks that he's in, he has a decent sized locker, and it's metal, so I figured I could grab some magnets off of Amazon. I got these for $6.99. There was it was a pack of 30, and I grabbed 2 packs because I had a lot of photos. So I really think he's going to enjoy that. Then these are some PJ pants that I got him for Christmas that he never wore when he was here, so I figured I would send them there and see if he wears them there. And then lastly, I got something off of his Amazon wish list, which was this Dave Ramsey Total Money Makeover book. So now I'm going to pack it all into the box, and I'll show you guys how I do it. Oh, I also forgot to mention that I wrote him some letters, some open when letters, and here's some ideas that I can give you. Open when you need a hug from me, open when you're not sure what to do, open when you're not very happy with me. Yikes, I hope he doesn't have to open that one. Open when you're thinking about our future, open when you get promoted, open when you feel lonely, open when you want to reminisce, open when you need a reminder on why I love you so much. Okay, so I'm going to place this book down on the bottom just because it's a nice flat surface. Can you guys see that? Okay, I guess I could just do it like that. So I'm going to place that down. Okay, I'm going to place these Met RX bars that fits perfectly right there. Then I'll put his deodorant right next to the book. There we go. So now it is placed perfectly in there. Sometimes you just gotta work it a couple times to see what the best way to fit something is. I placed that bag right there, right on top of the book. Now I'm gonna place these pants. I'm gonna fold them again and put them right here in the corner, just like that. Now I have a nice place for these cookies, I think. Might have to move some stuff around again, but that's fine. And then I think we can make this box fit. Perfect. I think that's good. Got the Nutri-Grain bar still there. And then I'm going to place his face wash right on top. Can't forget those magnets for the photos. I'll just slide those in right there. And I think I'm going to move these Nutri-Grain bars right here. I probably should have left those in the box since they're so fragile. Probably going to be crushed by the time they get there, but they'll eat anything, so it's fine. I'm going to place the pictures right on top of the box to make sure they don't get squished. And then this frame, there we go. Put that right there flat. And then I'm going to place these letters right on top, just like so. And there we go. I hope that you guys could see that. Now I'm going to close it up. You do want to go ahead and close it before you bring it to the post office. So close it up. And okay, so you do want to tape this box up like I said. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I switched my tape out because that tape I don't have a roller for, so it's kind of hard to work. But I'm going to make sure I get it taped up really well. There we go. Okay, so there's our box. It's ready to go. So you just take this into USPS, just like so, and you're gonna grab your customs, it says USPS Customs Declaration and Dispatch Note. This is, of course, only for overseas packages. If you're sending to a college student, you don't need this. Wish I had a blank one so I could show you guys, but I don't. So I'm just gonna go down the list because I already filled this one out. So you're going to put your sender's information, that is your name, your address, your telephone number, and then you're going to put the addressee's information, which is their name. If you're sending to a military APO address, you're going to place their unit on address line 1. You're going to place where they are on address line 2. And then on the city line, you're going to place their APO number. Down at the bottom, you should fill out that the category of items is a gift, and you will want to put a detailed description of the contents down at the bottom. Now that doesn't mean that you have to put 14 Reese's candies, 8 Nutri-Grain bars. I just put 50 snacks. I don't know if that's accurate, but I'm sure it's fine. I put 50 photos, 1 book, 1 clothing item. So there we go. You're going to take this with this and about $20 to the post office, and they will send it off for you. And that is that. It's super easy. I was nervous because I didn't know what the heck I was doing. I had to message a couple of my cyber friends who I don't know in person yet, but I'm sure I will meet one day. Shout out to you guys. And yeah, so they gave me some ideas. I had a lot of fun doing this. I know a lot of women like to make the boxes really pretty, but I just didn't feel like doing that, if I'm being totally honest. I also just don't think that my husband would care that much. He's a very caring person, but I think that he will care I think he cares more about what's inside the box versus what's on the box. He's just going to throw it away anyways. So there's my little spiel with that. This is very simple. Have fun with it. Don't stress too much, but do make sure that you pack these boxes full. If you don't think you can pack a box full, grab a smaller box. This is a good comparison. So this is a medium flat rate box. They must have 2 sizes of this because this is also a medium flat rate box right here. So here's the size difference. This one is more of like a flat box, and this one is more of a square rectangular box. And then this one is the box that I just filled down on the bottom. This is a large rate box. There we go. So I hope that you guys know which boxes you need, and they are free. Don't forget that. You don't have to pay for these. You can just run in, grab one, run out. And whenever you go to send it off, that's when you pay for the shipping. So have fun. Don't stress too much. If you need any ideas, my comments are open, and I will get back to you with some good ideas that I have. Okay. If you are family to my husband or my family and you would like to send something to him, please let me know. I will be glad to give you the information. I'm sure he would love to hear from you guys. So, with that being said, come see me in my next video. Bye! Oh, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, ring the bell so you can get some notifications, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!